All right, if you're watching this, then you already know that this is not just a normal fan review. That's right. This is a smart fan or an AI fan. What? Now we have fans with AI. Now we have fans that are smart. And honestly, with a fan like this, you're going to need a tutorial to get you and walk you through all the different modes, features, and everything that this fan can do. So let's get into it. Again, this is super crazy that this fan is the way that it is. Now, first piece of advice, do not adjust the fan with your hands, right? You're gonna want to resist that urge because ever since I was a kid, when we needed to move the direction of the fan, we would have to turn it, tilt it, move it with our hands. No, we don't want to do that with this fan because it actually has a remote feature that you do it right here. So again, resist the urge to kind of move that around. I'm like trying to resist right now. That's my urge. We just kind of slap it right here in our RV for those camping trips when you just need a little bit more air circulation at night when you want to sleep comfortable, right? So this just blows right onto the bed and it keeps the temperatures nice and cool and even all throughout the night. That's what we use it for. But I wanted to show you, it does have a stand. Let me show you how high. It can go just a little bit higher. And if you wanted it on the floor, it can go right next to your bed. But let me show you that really quick. All right, so that's about as high as you're going to get that fan. That's fully extended. You can see that. That's right on top of our dresser right there. That's as high as it goes. So now let's come in a little close and let's take you on a tour of what these buttons do. Everything on this menu right here, you can actually access on the remote as well and do that. But I want to show you right here to turn it on. Obviously, you just press it on. So you can see that it's going to go all the way up to 100%. 32 is your max airspeed. And so it goes all the way up to 32. And that's kind of what we like to have it at, is just a full blast. And you can see it takes a little bit of time to get there. So we'll just keep it right at 32. And then right here is your oscillation. Actually, we're going to drop that down so you can actually hear me so it's not blowing in the microphone. The first touch right there kind of turns that left and right. But check this out. The next is going to turn it up and down. And then the next, you press it one more time, you got the up and down movement that's circulating the air in here really well. You know, I'm going to tell you guys the best part, which is a really unique feature to any fan that I've seen out there, is right here when you turn the fan off. Watch what happens. We just turned the fan off. The blades come to a complete stop. There you go. It reverses the direction. Now, why is that cool? It reverses the direction for 15 seconds because it actually is self-cleaning. So it's getting rid of that dust and debris that is accumulated on the fans and it kicks it out backwards and there it's done. Every single time you turn the fan off, it does that, kind of like a self-cleaning mode. So the dust particles don't stay on the fan. Remember that remote that I was talking about? I'm going to walk you through this remote really quick. Obviously, you have a power button, but right here is what I want to show you. This M for mode. Then that first mode is going to be like it kicks on that little leaf symbol right there. That leaf symbol is going to be like a natural breeze. It's going to breathe on you. See how it just adjusted from 25 to 30, and then it'll adjust back down. So it's going to give you kind of like a natural wind or a natural breeze present. Now here is a sleep one where it's just going to give you a low light breeze that's constant, and obviously at 9, 8, and this is going to be a really just having a breeze so that you can sleep. Then the next one is your AI mode. Right here, your AI mode. It kind of takes the ambient temperature around and it's okay. Makes it so it's comfortable, breathable, and you can see it is pretty, the temperature in here is awesome. So it's like, okay, it matches the humidity, the temperature, and says, okay, we need more air, less air, or whatever. It's just gonna know on its own. So now we have fans that are smarter than me. My mom was probably right when he said, are you dumb as a fan? That's a compliment now. Yeah, rocks for brains. Oh, now I'm waiting for rocks to get AI. And then I'll be like, see, mom? All right, so I have all of these settings right here. You obviously have a sleep timer and then your mode. You have a plus and a minus right here so we can turn our speed up, and then you have your oscillation right, left, up, and down right here. So we're going to kick that back onto manual or AI mode, and we're going to let the fan do the work. I'm tired of always having to manually adjust the fans, always having to go high speed and low speed. That's just so exhausting and so much work. Why not just have a button where you can press and let the fan do the work? Come on. Now, this kind of blows my mind that we're in a day and age where your lazy game has just been taken to the next level with fans.